నమస్కారం భారత్ నౌ న్యూస్ కి స్వాగతం. నా పేరు సంధ్య. గుంటూరు జిల్లా తుళ్లూరు మండలంలోని విఐటి యూనివర్సిటీలో జాతీయ వర్క్ షాప్ సదస్సులో జూమ్ మీటింగ్లో విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి ఆదిమూలపు సురేష్ పాల్గొన్నారు. రానున్న రోజుల్లో డేటా సైన్స్, అనాలిటిక్స్ మానవుని జీవనం మరియు వ్యాపారం, మానవుని విధానంలో కీలకం కానున్నాయి. వ్యాపారేతర సేవల్లో ప్రముఖ పాత్ర పోషించిన నైపుణ్యం, సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానం మరియు విద్యను ముఖ్యమంత్రి వైఎస్ జగన్ ప్రభుత్వం అందిస్తుంది అని తెలిపిన ఏపీ విద్యాశాఖ మంత్రి ఆదిమూలపు సురేష్, ఈ డేటా యుగంలో 21వ శతాబ్దం ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాల్లో డేటా సైన్స్, డేటా అనాలిసిస్ వీటిలో తప్పనిసరి అని ఉద్ఘాటించారు. డాక్టర్ విశ్వనాథం అండ్ ఛాన్సలర్ విఐటి 5 రోజుల పాటు కొనసాగనున్న డేటా సైన్స్ అండ్ అడ్వాన్స్ కంప్యూటింగ్ లో 2490 మందికి పైగా విద్యార్థులు, రీసెర్చ్ స్కాలర్, అధ్యాపకులు 26 రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి 7 దేశాల నుంచి పాల్గొనడం సంతోషదాయకం అని డాక్టర్ ఎస్వి కోటరెడ్డి వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ తెలిపారు. డేటా సైన్స్ మరియు డేటా అనాలిటిక్స్ కి సంబంధించి వివిఐటి ఏపీ యూనివర్సిటీలో బిఎస్సి మరియు ఎంఎస్సి డేటా సైన్స్ విత్ ఎగ్జిట్, డేటా సైన్స్ ఆప్షన్, డిఎస్సి డేటా సైన్స్ మరియు 2 సంవత్సరాల ఎంఎస్సి డేటా సైన్స్ ప్రోగ్రాం ఎవరు అందజేస్తున్నట్లు తెలియజేశారు.
More than 2000 delegates from 7 countries and delegates from 26 states of India are taking part. 17 eminent speakers from reputed institutes like IITs, NITs, IIITs and from industries are going to conduct this workshop on data science and advanced computing.
Good morning everyone. On behalf of the School of Advanced Sciences, VITAP University, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to the dignitaries present here, my colleagues, students and participants. The National Workshop on Data Science and Advanced Computing is a 5-day program divided into 2 levels. One for 10+2 and UG students and another for PG students.
From that moment, I've been super impressed with not just the quality of the infrastructure and the faculty and the programs that you have created, but also immensely impressed by the quality of the students, right, that you produce. We have been recruiters in my Accenture days, and we continue to recruit people from VIT right during this time as well. I am very deeply indebted to maths in terms of who I am today and what I have learned. And it is very exciting to see that the maths school of VIT AP University is actually spearheading this program. And in some sense, maths is at the heart of all the beauty that we see around us, right, in the natural world.
We have grown into 4 campuses: Vellore, Chennai, Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh, and Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. We have 52,000 students now from all the states and union territories of India, also from 54 countries. And I would like to mention that in Vellore, I find almost all the villages in Andhra are represented here, especially the coastal Andhra. And of course, now we have about 4,700 students in the Andhra campus, and nearly 60% are from Andhra Pradesh. I hope it is bound to grow. Now we have 7 schools. One of them is conducting this under Dr. Santanu Mandal, the School of Advanced Sciences, where the Department of Mathematics, Physics and Chemistry are together. And the school aims to provide solid foundation in natural sciences to the undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD students.
Very happy, and I would like to applaud VIT AP University Amaravati for organizing this 5-day national workshop. And these are the initiatives, good practices actually, which will go a long way, especially during this time of COVID-19 pandemic, when we are unable to organize such a type of workshops on a massive scale in live. And now the technology has really come very handy to interact with people across the globe. Good initiative. Keep it up, VIT, and especially the School of Advanced Sciences. we have got so much of empowerment being given to the students, where they can learn lot many things, not only restricting themselves to only one core area. Maybe they can be experts in biotechnology. At the same time, they can learn mathematics, and then if you are not good at mathematics, still they can do well in, if their IQ levels are good in computing and in computer sciences. So this is what all about the new national education policy 2020 is all about. So we want to give the student the complete freedom, and then the new models and methodologies like choice based credit system, where they can pick up different types of subjects, and then finally they can come out with multifaceted talents, and then with a lot of expertise in various subjects, not only confining themselves to only one area. So this is what I think the students should visualize the education in the days to come. Because in 21st century, I don't know, from 20 years from now, I think it's only the skills which matter, and it's not the degrees, and it's not the percentage of marks which we allocate to you, and then there's like no longer you will not be just getting a job by showing your degrees. It is only the skills, and then skills alone, and then which will really fetch you, and then give you a scope in the industry.